Family, 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 ShaSha&Family. ShaSha&Family, yeah, that's me. Now, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to ShaSha&Family. And today, we are at CiCi's. Look at this salad. Oh, my God. It looks so good. Look at the food was all fresh and good looking. Look how it look good today. It looked good today, okay? Now, they are not like they used to be. But they'll do. You got to catch them on a day where they're not crowded, so you can be able to get a lot of everything and eat the food fresh. So it was good, y'all. Y'all see me finna jazz this up and do the doggone thing. Now, I was not showing my face. Not all the time, but sometimes I am about to start doing it. Like, only gonna show like the mouth area, cause if I'm doing a mukbang or I'm eating food or doing a review, like this what y'all came for, right? Okay, so you don't have to see my whole face. Now, I did notice at first that my mouth was not showing, so you really couldn't see me really eat. But when I did realize, I did change it and you know, let y'all at least see me chew it, okay? Yeah, so stay tuned and watch the video, y'all. I can't believe I ate. Like, normally when I go to restaurants, they have like all you can eat by the first plate, and sometimes by the second plate I be extremely full. Like, I be full. So I was shocked myself that I actually ate that much. But yeah, y'all, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna speed all these parts up, because get into it and watch me eat. It looks good. It looks amazing. I be have to find ways to set up the camera, because I don't be want to record people. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all could tell that it was busting this day. Y'all could tell that it was busting. And we don't really eat there because they went up on the price. And it's not worth it. But it was very much worth it on this day. Very much worth it. So, again, yeah, so y'all get into it and watch me. And I might speed some of it up, but right now I'm not. Just enjoy me eating. And I am gonna bring the camera to my face when I realize that you guys really can't hardly see me chew. But yeah, and hope you guys enjoy. Y'all, I was not playing with this salad. I was stabbing it and munching. Like, I don't even really eat salad without meat. But this salad was banging, or I was super hungry. I think it was both. I think I was hungry and the salad was busting, y'all. It was busting. So I got into it. I really ate. I really, really ate. I really ate. And when y'all go there, get the sauce. You gotta get the sauce on the side to dip all your pizza in. Also, the white sauce too. Thank me later. You go back and say shit. I will show you. I talk sometimes, but I ain't come to talk today. For sure. Once a week, sometimes. Sometimes, every day. You bring your big things? That's for me. This still in here. I don't know what they talking about. They must tell you what I got in here. It's hand harder than the pizza. Hmm. I mean, this salad is really good. I think I've been wanting the salad anyway. and hair grease. Oh, I done said bad.